Hello to Sahoo family. This is your host Soubhagya Sahoo and welcome back to the episode 3 of our 100-day trading and investing mindset series. Today we are going to talk about a very critical skill that every successful trader needs, and that's discipline. But before we dive in, I have a quick request for you. If you are enjoying these videos and want to learn more about the mindset in trading and investing, hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss any future episodes. And if you find value in this video, remember to like, comment and share with others who might be benefited from this. So now let's talk about the discipline in trading. Why it's the foundation for long-term success and how it can help you avoid those impulsive emotional trades that often leads to losses. So let's start with discipline in trading really means. What exactly does that mean? So discipline is sticking to your plan even when the emotions are pushing you to act impulsively. It's about following the rules you have set for yourself, your entry points, your exit points, your stop losses, etc. No matter how tempting it is to stray from them. Think of it like I can say training for a marathon. You don't suddenly sprint halfway through because you are excited or slow down because you are tired. You stick to your pace one step at a time and let the plan guide you. Similarly in trading it's the same. Discipline is about showing up, following your strategy and not letting your emotions dictate your actions. Remember that the most successful traders are those who consistently follow their strategy, not those who get lucky on a few impulsive trades. So why discipline matters even in the long run? So for a long-term success, trading isn't about winning every trade. It's about making consistent, smart decisions over time. When you trade with discipline, you are reducing the impact of losses and giving yourself the best chance for steady growth. For example, let's say you are tempted to jump into a trade and it doesn't align to your plan. Maybe it's a stock that's trending up and you may feel the urge to buy it quickly. But disciplined traders resist that urge. They stick to their trades that align with their strategy, knowing that one impulsive trade can disrupt their entire progress. So discipline helps you avoid these mistakes. It's like building a strong foundation for a house. Without it, the whole structure can collapse at any moment. Similarly, in trading, discipline is what keeps you grounded, focused, and on the path to steady growth. So, setting and following a trading plan. So, one of the best way to build discipline is by creating a solid trading plan. A plan that outlines your strategy, your goals, and the rules you follow for each trade. It includes things like entry and exit points, stop loss labels, and your profit target labels. So, with a plan in place, you are less likely to make impulsive decisions. When emotions come up, your plan acts as a guide. You know exactly what actions to take and you are not relying on your gut feelings or market rumors. So here's a tip. Write down your trading plan and keep it somewhere visible, like whenever you are sitting on your desk. Look at it before you start your trading day. The simple act can remind you of your goals and keep you focused, even when things get unpredictable. So managing your emotions with discipline. So let's be honest. Emotions play a huge role in trading. Fear, greed, excitement, frustration, each of these can influence your decisions. But disciplined traders learn to recognize this like their emotions and keep check on them. So when you feel like the urge to make a quick decision based on fear or excitement, take a pause, breathe, step back and ask yourself, does this align with my plan? Practicing this regularly can help you avoid impulsive trades and reinforce discipline. For example, if you are in a trade that's likely down, the instinct might be to exit quickly out of fear. But if your plan indicates that you should hold until a certain label, like a price label drop, so discipline will help you stay patient and follow that plan. So over time, this approach reduces mistakes and help you make rational decisions. Another very important aspect of discipline is understanding that not every trade will be a winner. Losses are the part of the journey and the disciplined traders accept that. They stick to their stop losses labels without trying to revenge trade to make up for the losses. So embracing small wins and small losses keep you grounded rather than trying to hit a home run on your every trade. Disciplined traders are okay with steady small gains because they know it's sustainable in the long run. They don't let losses push them into risky trades, and they don't let wins make them overconfident. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Every trade is one step of the path, and it's the discipline to keep moving steadily that leads to real success. So, building discipline is something you do once, it's a daily practice. Start small, maybe today. Your goal is just to follow your trading plan 100%. Don't worry about the outcome of each trade. Focused on following the process. The more you practice discipline, the stronger it becomes. So, over time, you will find it easier to stay calm, patient, and committed to your plan. Remember, each day you trade with discipline, you are getting one step closer to becoming a successful, consistent trader. So, remember, discipline is the key to your success. Alright, TSM family, here's the bottom line. Discipline is the backbone of successful trading. It's what keeps you track, protect you from impulsive decision, and allow you to make consistent gain over time. Without discipline, even the biggest strategies can fall. As you move forward, remind yourself that every trade, each day is an opportunity to practice discipline. It's the small, steady step that leads to financial freedom. And it is all start with mastering the art of discipline. So thank you for tuning into the episode 3 of the 100-day trading and investing mindset series. If you found value in this episode, don't forget to like the video, share it with a friend who might need a bit of guidance, and don't forget to leave a comment below on how you are building discipline in your own trading journey. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, hit that button to stay updated on all our future episodes. As a part of TSM Hub community, we are here to support each other in the journey to financial freedom. Together, we can master the art of trading and investing, build discipline, and achieve our goals. So let's keep growing and keep learning, keep trading smartly together. Thank you and have a great day.